Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove the back lamps. So lamps from the Ford Cmax, and this one is 2014, but basically it's the same even for the newer version. So let's see. Let's start with the left, outside left. So take out this bad boy, and here I'm not really sure if you're gonna be able to see, but there is two pins. So this one over here, so this plastic holder, and there is another one over here. So two of those, you take them out, you just unscrew them. I will show you. Sometimes they kinda get stuck, and they are quite long, so there is a lot of, so as you can see, quite long. And if you cannot unscrew it by hand, I usually use these, but it should be possible even with a screwdriver. But sometimes if you use screwdriver, these tend to break, so probably best way is this way. So unscrew the other one. There are two of these. They are kind of long. I don't really know why they are so long, but it does take a little of time. So after that, there is electricity you need to plug out, but you can do that once you take out the lamp. So there is always a little pin over here, and you need to be extra careful with that bad boy. So what I usually use is these plastic holders. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see the pin, but it's there. So basically what you have to do is just wiggle it a little bit around. That's one way. And another way that you can use silicone little spray. So put a little bit there. Let me just take it out. So let me show you like this. Kind of easier with two hands. So this pin usually stays here, this plastic pin. Let me take out the electricity. It's gonna be harder with one hand. So what you have to do is click this bad boy, this one over here, inside. So because that's its only thing that it's holding it in place. So this little pin over here, it's, I don't know why they do this, but this usually is in here. So over here. So that's where you have the problems, the most problems, taking that out. So best way is, I don't know, I'm not really sure what's the best way, but a little bit wiggle with the lamp and it goes out. So let's see the other side. I'm gonna take these green pins out. So yeah, let's see. So taking that out, let me see. So these, I took those out, and after that somebody did change this because it went kind of really easy out, even with one hand like this. So somebody did some work on this for sure, because look how this pin usually is. So if you're taking it out and putting it back, you should use some silicone spray inside of this, just in case for the next time. So let me disconnect this and then we continue. So taking that out, it's kind of easy. Just click this in this little bit in, and it goes kind of easy out. So that's the right one. And as you can see, these should be LEDs, I believe. Yeah, these are. So kind of nice equipment on this one. So now let's move on to the ones on the hood. So basically you should click it here, take it out. There is this one, I believe, just, yeah, this one bad boy. This one won't go as easy as usually. So what I like to do is go like this. Kinda, for me, is the best way. You can use screwdriver as well. So it's kind of supposed, but it should be really a big one, so you don't break anything. So, but that's the reason I use that other tool. So this one, you take it out. As I said, they are kind of long and takes some time to unscrew them. You don't want to lose them, so when it's kind of near the end, grab it tight. So now that you took out that, it should be fairly easy to take it out, but let me, again, plastic tool is your best buddy, because if it's not broken or anything like that, you don't want to break it, because these tend to be hard to find and expensive. So that should be it. So like this. Again, we have these, and yeah, so this is the hole over here. As you can see, one pin over here, one pin over here. So these two pins and the screw that we took out. So let me take out this. So taking that plug out, quite an interesting one, to be honest, these lamps. So again, I believe that's the LED light. Yeah, should be. And again, same goes for this side. Again, you can use plastic tools, maybe better option, but I do like my screwdriver. Oh, this one goes. That's always a nice thing. So yeah, if you have any requests on how to from this car, write in comments while I'm dismantling this week. It's no problem to record. I mean, I'm happy to do it. So if you're already here, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help me grow the channel. So let's see what we can do over here. So again, go from the front upside, this side over here, as we did before. So take it out, just click it out, and then the white plug. So over here, you put your screwdriver inside here. So inside over here, and just click it out. I'm gonna do it. So take it out, and yeah, all four lamps are out. Don't forget, don't lose these. There is, so right side, left side, and basically that's that. I hope this helped. If you wanna see more of these, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, and I hope I can see you next one. So till next one, see ya.